Welcome to the Best Picks. The best compact snow shovel is probably one of the most important tools to have during winter, especially if you live in an area that gets a lot of snow and have limited storage space. This video will not only review the best compact snow shovels on the market, but also help you choose the perfect one for your needs, considering factors such as size, weight, material, and price, ensuring you're prepared for whatever winter throws your way. Number 5. Snow Joe Shovelution Snow Shovel. Say goodbye to back pain this winter. This innovative shovel is designed to make snow removal easier and more comfortable than ever before. It features a patent-pending spring-loaded handle that helps reduce strain on your back and shoulders. Lifting and throwing heavy snow is now much less strenuous. The ergonomic dual-handle design shifts the leverage, reducing back strain by up to 30%. You'll be amazed at how much easier shoveling becomes. It's incredibly durable, with an 18-inch heavy-duty blade and an aluminum wear strip. This shovel is built to withstand even the toughest winter conditions. The D-ring handles provide better control and stability, improving your posture and reducing bending. You'll feel the difference immediately. This isn't just for winter. Use it to lift mulch, soil, or other garden materials throughout the year. It's a truly versatile tool. What we like. This shovel's spring-assisted handle and ergonomic design significantly reduce strain during snow removal. If you frequently shovel heavy snow and want to minimize back pain, this is the perfect choice. Its durable construction ensures it will last for many winters to come. What people say. Very lightweight, but got the job done easily. Love the extra handle, made tossing the snow so much easier on my back. The spring-assisted handle significantly reduces strain on my back and shoulders, making shoveling snow much more manageable and comfortable. The 20-inch blade allows me to move large amounts of snow with each pass, saving me time and effort. The second handle makes it so easy to pick up and toss snow, that I feel like an idiot for not coming up with this idea myself. The mechanics of shoveling are changed, much for the better, and I can clear snow probably twice as fast with the Snow Joe than with any other shovel I've ever used. Number 4. Lifeline Aluminum Shovel. This innovative shovel is designed for various outdoor situations. Its lightweight and collapsible design makes it perfect for cars, camping, and more. It easily breaks down into 3 pieces for convenient storage and portability. This makes it simple to keep in your vehicle or backpack. Constructed from high-quality aluminum, it weighs only 1.3 pounds, yet remains incredibly strong and reliable. You never know when you might need it. This shovel ensures you're ready for unexpected weather conditions or emergencies. It adjusts from 21 inches to 32 inches, providing the perfect length for any task or user. This adaptability makes it incredibly versatile. Whether you're clearing snow from your car, digging a campsite, or tackling another outdoor challenge, it's the ideal tool. It's ready when you are. What we like. Its compact, 3-piece collapsible design makes it incredibly convenient to store and transport. If you need a shovel that's always ready for action without taking up much space, this is ideal for your car, backpack, or emergency kit. The adjustable length ensures a comfortable reach for various tasks and users. What people say. The sturdy shovel made short work of the slushy mess, and the small size of the blade was a nice asset, since it allowed me to maneuver the shovel neatly around my car's tires, and to nimbly scoop out the slush mound underneath my car, without touching my car's underside or the tires. Great little shovel that's strong enough to break through compacted snow and ice. Aluminum construction with detachable handle makes for a lightweight, compact shovel that is perfect for the car trunk. Metal build is vastly superior to plastic when trying to clear mixed snow and ice, and wet snow. Number 3. BIRDROCK Home Folding Shovel. It's lightweight and sturdy, perfect for clearing snow from your car or preparing for a winter camping adventure. This shovel ensures you're ready for any winter emergency. Made from high-quality aluminum, it's tough enough for snow, mud, or sand. Carry it easily on camping trips or while exploring the outdoors. Its foldable design makes it easy to store and transport. It fits easily in your car, backpack, or ATV, always ready when you need it. Use it all year round for snow, sand, mud, or dirt. It's great for four-wheeling, camping, or any outdoor adventure. At just 2 pounds, it's easy to carry. Its compact size makes it perfect for any vehicle or gear bag, ensuring you're prepared for unexpected situations. What we like. This shovel's foldable design allows for easy storage and portability, making it perfect for any adventure. If you're looking for a lightweight yet sturdy tool for various outdoor activities, from snow removal to digging in the garden, this is the one for you. Its versatility makes it a valuable addition to any emergency kit or outdoor gear collection. What people say. Small, sturdy, folds so you can tuck it under your seat just about anywhere. Great quality. It's well engineered of lightweight aluminum where it counts, beefy in both plastic and metal components including beefy lever and spring action so it just works. It will shovel path around car doors and rear or front tires to get snow moved and has oval metal shaft and spade to keep its edge and hold shape without hurting back with too heavy loads. Tough enough to chop some ice with the edge as well. Easy and reliable, collapsible and unfolding, will deploy in the cold. Excellent lightweight given it is strong aluminum and very positive grip. The best part is you fold it up to almost nothing and put in the trunk or back seat and you're set for the next time you need it. Number 2. 72 hours 3-in-1 snow shovel. This innovative shovel is perfect for any vehicle, from cars to trucks. Its compact design makes it easy to store, while its 3 functions make it incredibly versatile. It functions as a shovel, a scraper, and a brush, all in one convenient tool. You'll be prepared for any winter weather emergency. It collapses down to a compact size, making it easy to store in your car, truck, or SUV. Never be caught unprepared again. Made from durable aluminum, it's lightweight yet strong enough to handle even the toughest snow. It's built to last through many winters. Keep it in your vehicle for unexpected snowstorms. Its compact size and multiple functions make it an essential emergency tool. It's not just for snow. Use it for gardening or other outdoor tasks. It's a truly multi-purpose tool. With its compact design, multiple functions, and durable construction, it's the ultimate snow removal tool. Get yours today. What we like. This 3-in-1 shovel is a space-saving marvel, easily collapsing for storage. If you need a versatile tool for snow removal, gardening, or emergencies, and value compact storage, this is a great option. Its multi-purpose design makes it a practical addition to any vehicle or outdoor kit. What people say. Very good shovel with great quality and it is well built. It collapses nicely into an easy-to-carry bag that fits well in a car or other vehicle. The shovel was the perfect weight I was looking for. Very light but very sturdy. The shovel's blade is made of a thicker gauge aluminum than I thought. Handle pieces fit together easily. Top T-handle is black plastic but appears sturdy. Number 1. Yukon Charlie's Collapsible Shovel. Winter weather can be unpredictable. It's essential to have the right tools on hand, no matter where you are. This shovel is incredibly lightweight and easy to pack. It won't weigh down your backpack or take up much space in your car. It adjusts to multiple lengths and angles, making it perfect for various snow conditions and digging tasks. When not in use, it collapses down to just 13 inches, easily fitting into any emergency kit or vehicle. With its slip-proof handle and sturdy construction, you can count on it to get the job done, even in tough conditions. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a weekend camper, it's the ideal companion for any winter adventure. Keep it in your car for unexpected snowstorms or roadside emergencies. You'll be glad you did. What we like. This shovel's lightweight and adjustable design makes it easy to carry and use in various conditions. If you're an outdoor enthusiast who values preparedness and convenience, this is a must-have. Its compact size ensures it won't take up much space in your car or backpack. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.